Hi there, my name is Jonny. I'm one of the physios at Paul Gough Physio Rooms. So I'm talking to you today a little bit about how if you do have what we call rotator cuff impingement, issues with the front of your shoulder around here and pain, sometimes down the outside of the arm. A lot of the time the things that you can do to also help yourself. So one of the first things you could do would be to avoid any significant repetitive overhead lifting, because a lot of the time that will cause more irritation. Obviously don't completely stop doing that, because that movement does need to occur. It's just the repetitiveness that needs to reduce. One of the other good things is to actually keep the joint moving, because joints need movement. If they're moving, they're nourished, they don't wear down as quickly. And in the long term, you're less likely to get bad arthritis. So one of the ways you could do that, I've got George here to demonstrate with me. So George, we're just going to do what we'll call a pendular swing today. So if you'd like to put your hand onto the wall just for balance, and then if you relax that arm, let it become like a dead weight, and just do start off with just some very small circles, and then we can progress that to slightly bigger circles. So what that's doing is that can help to reduce pain, it's keeping the joint nourished, it's getting the movement back into the shoulder, and then it's speeding up recovery. And the other thing that we advise on is what we call isometric strengthening as well, which is where the muscle stays the same length but you're pushing into an immovable force. So for George, if let's say it's George's right shoulder that he's suffering with, so if you put your left hand on your right back of your hand, and then you're just pushing out into resistance, and you can hold that for a few seconds and then relaxing, and then also opposite to that, pushing in, same again, holding for a few seconds, relaxing. And if George is up against the wall, he's pushing his elbow into the wall as well. Of course, you can also do the other one in that position as well, where you're pushing the back of your hand out into the wall, and then the other one would be just be pushing the elbow into the wall too. So that keeps the muscles that hold the shoulder in the socket strong. That limits the chance of any other issues in the future. The stronger the shoulder joint, the less chance George has got of having issues with it again.